Hey guys, today I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing of the new V1 Gen 2. So when it arrives, looks like it's double boxed. I've already cut open the side, and then when you drop it open, this is the actual box that it comes in. So as we open, it has a nice little Gen 2. So you'll be greeted with a quick start guide that you can use, and nice foam visor clip. This is the coil cord for the cigarette lighter. That's right here, cigarette lighter. This looks to be the straight cord. And this is the direct wire kit that comes with it. And some spare suction cups. So here is the unit. Looks actually wider than the old one. I sent my old one in for trade-in, and I'm not actually sure if the old clip will work. The old clip is still in my car, so I'll try that later on. But overall, the unit in itself looks much wider than the old one. The two buttons for volume are now here instead of a knob, and the power button in the front. So I wonder how the mute is going to work. The plug for the power still goes in on the back right side, and now the mute plug is on the left side here. I think this might be a speaker, I'm not exactly sure yet. But overall, still a magnesium case, nice build. And yeah, that's it.